So about a year ago, I posted this video on YouTube, which blew up to more than 97 million views, and I have like a few thousand comments asking where did I buy this, how to get this, if I'm selling these, and some say it's fake. I hope this video will clear it all up on how to do this in 2025. So this is just a Galaxy Watch 4 running Wear OS 5 I suppose, but this should work on all Wear OS devices. Anyways, you just open the Play Store on your watch and search for this app. Now the one that I used to show on my older videos isn't actually available on Play Store anymore, but this one is just as good and works on your Wear OS devices, and it's free. So now you just use the virtual bezel to scroll through aliens. If you have a Galaxy Watch Classic, you can use the rotating physical bezel. Or you can just even swipe left and right. Although swiping to the right may make it exit the app. It also has the Alien Force Omnitrix. It has 3 styles, the Classic Omnitrix, the Alien Force Omnitrix, as well as the Omniverse style. And yes, you can easily enable master control with a known sequence. No need to wait for Azimuth to gift it to you on your 18th birthday. Subscribe if you found this useful, and thanks for watching.